will be your next superstar. And here are our judges, Jeffrey Myers.
Hello.
And Daniel Abdul. And we're going to be hearing the voices of Violet Powell and Reggie Martin right after this commercial break.
Hi, I'm pop star Taylor Swift, and this is the new invention, the squirt bottle. It has many uses, like it can help you when you're dying of thirst on that desert, and it can get between cracks that should be mentioned. And here we will be showing how it tastes and the little side effects. There will be extreme nausea and barfing, and there'll be constipation, itchy throat, burning eyes, constantly farting, and last but not least, explosive diarrhea.
I can't hold it much longer. I gotta go.
Call this 1-800 number now and you can get it for $19.99. Disclaimer, we do not actually own this product.
Now, back to the show. And here's Violet Powell singing Call Me Maybe.
I threw a shirt away, don't ask me, I'll never tell. I look to you as a fun, but now you're in my way. You know us, baby.
Nice job, Violet. So, let's go to the judges' comments. Danny Abdul.
Good job, Violet.
Jeffrey Myers.
It was pitiful.
And here's Reggie Martin singing Glad You Came.
The sun goes down, the stars come out, and all that counts is here and now. My unit, I'm glad you came. The sun goes down, the stars come out, and all that counts is here and now. My universe will never be the same. I'm glad you came. I'm glad you came.
Nice job, Reggie. Nice job. And that was Reggie Martin saying, Glad You Came. Danny Abdul, your comments?
Well, it was unique.
Jeffrey Myers?
Better.
He seems satisfied this time. And Dania, not so much. Well, we'll be back with the official decision. Bye-bye. Now to commercial break. Are you tired of your bulky, sluggish, and boring iPhone cases? Well, we have a solution. The new Pack iPhone case. It's almost like a backpack and a case in one. Easy navigation allows to find your iPhone freely with other supplies. Let's try to find our iPhone, experiment man. It takes him a very short amount of time.
Much
See?
less than it would take you to find
Another bag. Very clever. Very clever. Well, not in that one, but it's still easy navigation. Oh, guess not in that one. Easy navigation. Oh, and that doesn't look like it's in that one. And you found your iPhone. It only took like a precise minute to find it. That is very excellent. Give him a hand, ladies and gentlemen. Woo! Okay. Now you can see the judges are discussing the winner of this tight competition. Very tight match. Anyways, I'll be interviewing both right after this. And here's Violet Powell. Come on, come on. Hi, Violet. How you doing? Nice. So, how do you think you performed tonight?
Perfect.
Oh, wow. That's pretty good expectations. How do you think your opponent did? Reggie Martin. Tight trash talk, ladies and gentlemen. Very awesome and optimistic. Well, see you later, Violet.
Action.
And here's Reggie Martin. Come on, man. Let's go. How you doing? Good. Hey, man. Okay, Reggie. How'd you think you did tonight?
Good.
Good. How'd you think your opponent, Violet Powell, did?
Kind of good.
Oh, so he's a little bit nicer with the trash talk. So, how optimistic are you about winning this competition?
I can explain this.
Uncertain is the answer. And the winner is of the ultrasound, Reggie Martin. Shake hands. That was not really nice. Not nice, Violet.
Finally, some fun on the show!
And that's our show, ladies and gentlemen. Hope to be back.